Hello, I'm here to show you a short instructional video on the Posture Pump 4100S, our deluxe full spine unit. This is the newest model in the Posture Pump lineup. Weighs about 3 pounds, simple, easy to fold and travel with. Lie it down on any flat surface. You can use it on your bed, your floor, your carpet, basically any flat surface. Today we're going to show it to you on a nice yoga mat. What you want to do when you first get it out is release the forehead strap. It comes with Velcro like here, so you're going to go ahead and release the Velcro and pull the strap so it's gently laying over the tip of the frame. Then just go ahead and lay your hand pumps out so when you lie down in the unit you can easily grab them within reach. The blue one here goes to the neck portion of the unit, and the black ones go to the lumbar. There's 2 air cells here. One will pump up the upper air cell, and one will pump up the lower air cell. When you want to release the air, you simply push these buttons here, and the air will release. On the neck unit, we also have a safety release valve. So you can never pump up more than the recommended pressure. And again, to release it, it's a simple release. Okay, the unit is now stretched out and we're now ready to get onto the unit. Okay, what you want to do with your knees bent, bring the unit right to your tailbone. You can reach down a little bit if you'd like to, but hold it here so that it doesn't slide up or left or right. You want to hold it. You're going to center your spine all the way over the unit. You can tell when I got on the unit, it was a little bit higher than that. I want to slide it a little bit so it's right underneath my shoulders. Hope you can see that okay. It does fit any spine, so if you're really long, that's why it would stretch really far. And then the shorter people, it can really just scooch in and slide right there. I feel centered and comfortable on the unit right now. I'm going to go ahead now and grab the 2 lumbar cells. The one that's in my right hand is going to pump up the lowest air cell. The one that's in my left hand will pump up the upper. Pump it up to your own comfort level. It could be 1 to 7 pumps, 5 to 8 pumps, but you'll be able to tell by your comfort. Now I pumped them up and then I'm pumping them up together now. My back is arching over these air cells, but my tailbone is still on the ground. Now I want to rock back and forth. This is the warm-up. It's very important to do the warm-up. We want to relax the muscles. We want to open those joints. We want the fluid to seep into the spine. That's what this rocking motion is doing. It's allowing the fluid to seep into the joints and the discs and is hydrating your lower back right now. Now I'm going to go ahead and deflate the unit. So this warm-up period consists of about 5 to 10 of these repetitions. Let's just do a couple more. I'm going to pump it up with my right hand, my left hand, both of them together now. Again, you're stretching nicely. Your back is arching over these 2 air cells. Okay, I got a great stretch. Now I'm going to go ahead and rock. I can feel my joints opening right now. I can feel the disc space really getting wider. Now, let's just say we did already about 5 or 10 of these sets already, and your back is loose and relaxed. Now I'm going to go ahead and put these here on my stomach. I'm going to start with my neck now. You never want to inflate your neck while you're rocking on the back unit. So you want to always do the back unit first, and when the back is inflated, then you're going to reach up and start to put the neck unit on. I'm going to use my fingers, feel that I'm centered on this pillow here. I don't want to be like that or that. I want to be completely centered. So I use my fingers and I can feel equal space here. Perfect. I'm going to grab the strap and you want to make it snug. So you want to pull one side first, then the other, and then just snug it right like that. Now I'm going to go ahead and grab the neck unit. I'm going to go ahead and start with this. I'm going to pump it up. Just make sure you pump it up to your own comfort level. Start slowly, and as you gradually increase your pressure over the course of a couple weeks, next thing you know, you'll be pumping up more and more over the course of a couple weeks. So I'm going to pump it up. You can see my neck is arching beautifully over the air cell. I've used Posture Pump products for 20 years, so I should have a good expansion over this air cell. Now I'm just going to relax for a few seconds, about 5 seconds. I'm going to push this down. Do it again. Feels great. It just gives your body a whole, complete spinal stretch, stem to stern. And my back is still completely inflated. So after you do this warm-up, again, 5 to 10 times, and the last one, you're going to deflate it. And on the next one, you're going to inflate it to the pressure that you can hold the most. Pump it up. I feel a great, complete spinal stretch right now. My head is comfortably held with the comfort visor. I feel just complete anti-gravity right now. Every disc and joint in my lumbar and my neck is just completely open. I'm just going to relax on here for about 5 minutes on my first treatment. I'm going to work up to about 15 minutes or so, gradually over the course of a couple weeks. We really stress that you read the instructions and the cautions that come with the product before beginning any exercise program, but this is just a quick how-to video to just assist you so you can see how easy it is to use. Now, after you've lying on it for a while, you're going to deflate the neck unit first. Then I'm going to go ahead, deflate the back. It feels wonderful. Just pull these tabs, just like that. Lift up. You're good. Sometimes it takes a few seconds to just let everything settle, so you just want to relax for a few seconds. And then you're going to grab one knee, bring it up, stretch a little bit. The other one, everyone's a little more flexible, so just stretch to, where you think you can. Some people can do the 2 knees, others can't, but don't overdo it. When you're done, just roll over to your side, get up, and you just kind of do a little warm up here, like that. Just a little bit of that stretch, and you're done. Posture Pump can be used every day, twice a day, several times a week, depending on what your symptoms are. It's a great preventative tool to keep your spine healthy and avoid disc bulges or problems that can arise from computers, telephones, driving, everyday stress. Posture Pump, again, is a corrective care device, but it's also a fantastic preventative care device. We look at Posture Pump as we would our toothbrush. Just like you brush your teeth to avoid cavities and dental decay, we look at Posture Pump to provide spinal hygiene and to prevent spinal decay. So we know you're going to love it. This will last you a lifetime. And we appreciate your purchase and your interest and your loyalty to Posture Pump products.